welcome back to the vlog. I am vlogging. This is day 3 of our snowstorm blizzard here in North Dakota. I figured I would vlog today a little bit. It's blowing sideways out there. It's crazy, they just plowed the roads and whatnot, but I figured I would hop on and just do another vlog today. We're stuck in the house and what time is it? It's like 2:30, so this might be like a 2-day vlog. Like today and tomorrow we're not supposed to go anywhere, just to be safe and let them clear stuff. I can't tell if you can see. Yeah, you probably see the snow flying out there. It's pretty windy. Yeah, I'm going to just do some editing right now, so I probably won't be picking up the camera for a little bit, and I think today's going to be leftovers for dinner tonight, but I will just take you along with me throughout the rest of my day. Cars are getting through on the road, but not the safest with the winds and the snow, so we are staying in. Can hardly see out there right now. It has picked up quite a bit. Normally we can see those houses over there that I always show you. Our balcony is starting to get more snow on it. It's definitely coming through. It's crazy. Well, I'm going to show you more of my day too, but the snow is definitely a big one here in this vlog. So now I'm going to make myself a iced coffee, or cold brew. That's what I have in here. This is actually the Stoke cold brew. I'm finishing it off and going to be making some more at-home cold brew. Show you guys how I make my... Oh, normally I put my caramel along the edge of the cup. I skipped a step. I usually put it along the edge of the cup there, but I'll just kind of pour it in a little bit. So I use my at-home cold brew or my Stoke cold brew, and then Ghirardelli caramel syrup. Can be used for coffees or desserts or whatever. This is my favorite syrup, caramel. And then, let's see, I'll move you down a little bit. There you go. Then my favorite creamer is the non-dairy Starbucks almond and oat milk caramel macchiato. This is my favorite one. I have used the hazelnut one, and that one's good as well. But let's see, probably a little bit more, because I'm going to add a little bit more cold brew to that. And yeah, my straw as my stir stick. How many people at home make their own cold brew and like it a specific color? If it's not the color, like you know the color of your coffee, and if it's not that color, you know it's not gonna be your favorite flavor. Hang on. I'm gonna take the top off of here and just pour the rest of my cold brew in there. Finish that off. Then I'm gonna rinse this out before I make my next batch of cold brew, and I will show you guys how I do that in this. I bought this from Amazon. I can link that down in the description down below for you to find. It makes making cold brew cheaper, a lot easier. So I have that, and I don't think it's quite light enough. So I'm going to splash in a little bit more of my creamer, getting down to the very bottom of this one, but I still have one in here. That should probably be good enough. I think that'll be perfect. And then every once in a while I will add in some of the Hershey's Simply 5 syrup. And today just feels like one of those days. I will add a little bit in there. And then I'm gonna get my ice. Grab me a couple of cubes, and and put those in, and that'll keep it nice and cold. And mix the chocolate in so I'm not just drinking the chocolate off the bottom. That is perfect. Perfect combination. Cold brew coffee and creamer. I truly enjoy this. I'm going to be having leftovers for dinner, so I will do that. I need to clean this guy out, grab the filter, and I will be making some at-home cold brew. And this time, I have not used this coffee yet, but I'm going to try the Dunkin' Original Blend. It's a medium roast. I think I usually like the light roast, but I will try this one. And it doesn't take the whole pack, but I will show you that process. When I get to that, I need to finish editing the video that's gonna go up tomorrow. It's still storming out, but yeah. Oh, and the sweater I got from Social Wear over on Instagram. I will link Social Wear's account down below. I think this was a pre-order only, but they may have them on their website still. I'm not 100% sure, but I will link the Instagram account down below. Actually, I'll probably link the website down below as well for you to go and check it out. I am going to get editing this video for tomorrow because it's gonna take me all night if I don't get to it.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I don't wanna waste my time, no. Maybe you don't wanna know, you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I don't wanna waste my time, no. No, I don't wanna waste my time.
So I am washing and drying dishes here, and I'm putting some things away so that way I can get these little waffle makers into the drying rack so that way they can dry out really good before I put them away. I'm getting stuff ready so that way I can make my cold brew, and I will be showing you that process in just a little bit here. I also wanted to say happy Easter. It's a little late, I know. This video is going up the day after, but as I'm recording this, it is Easter. I hope you all have had a wonderful Easter weekend with your family and friends. We got some snow here this morning, so it is definitely a snowy, gloomy day. It's starting to get a little brighter out, but it is definitely a snowy day again here in North Dakota. So I am just editing this video and getting it ready to go up tomorrow, and I really hope you guys enjoy this one. If you do, please leave me a comment down below and let me know what it is you enjoy about these videos. And I hope you guys keep coming back again and again. And for those of you who do, thank you so much. I appreciate and love you all so much. And if you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button down below and hit that thumbs up button. Let me know you like this video, and I am going to put some more music on for a little bit.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
Okay, so I told you all I would show you how I make my cold brew. My at-home cold brew here. I usually start off by putting water from my Brita pitcher into my cold brew pitcher. Let me fill up my Brita pitcher a little bit more though. I love our Brita pitcher. It comes in handy so much for us. We drink a lot of water and it filters it for us, so we have nice clean drinking water. Well, I'm gonna put this in my, alright, so I'm gonna use my Brita pitcher to fill up my cold brew pitcher, and I just fill that up to about here on the pitcher, so most of the way, but you're gonna need room for the water to come up when the coffee filter goes in. So I might start there, and then I'm gonna have to refill the pitcher afterward. So then I have my water in my cold brew pitcher. I am going to open up my coffee. This one I'm just using Dunkin' Original Blend, but you can use any ground coffee that you like. I'm trying this one for the first time, so I don't know if it's one I'm gonna like in my cold brew pitcher, but so I'm gonna take this and pour it into my filter. It kind of looks like one of those little Keurig K-Cup reusable cups, but it's a large one, and it screws onto the top part of the pitcher lid and goes inside and sits in the water for like 12 to, I think it says 12 to 24 hours. So I'm just gonna pour straight in, and I usually fill it to where it's like just above here, and on the inside usually you can tell, because on the inside there you can kind of see where it's like right there where you can kind of see through it. So I know I'm just about up to the top of that line, and for me, I don't like it super strong, so I feel like that is usually enough. This smells a little bit stronger than what my other coffees have smelled like. I usually do like a light breakfast blend, but I just put that in there, and then usually to get it like kind of mixed together, what I do is I take the pitcher and I kind of just give it a little bit of a shake, and there it's already starting to get a little bit of the coffee color, and then it'll just sit in the fridge and it brews cold in the refrigerator. That is hence the cold brew, but it's super simple. The pitcher is from Amazon, so I can link that down below for y'all, and if you guys are interested in making your own at-home cold brew, that's an easy way to go with it. If the coffee is too strong, or like it's strong for my liking, I just add more water. I usually just add more water anyways and mix it together, and then it's good. And then each time I take it out, I give it a good shake, because usually the coffee stuff settles at the bottom. So that's how I brew my own at-home cold brew. Let's see, I don't know if I can show you, if it'll show the lettering right here. That's the brand, if you want to search on Amazon. I don't have any affiliate links or anything like that, but I will share the link with you so you can find that. And then this sweater is Eliza Adele here on YouTube, and she's on Instagram as well. I will link both her Instagram and YouTube channel in the description below. She collaborated with Socialwear for a merch drop, and this was it. And I can link Socialwear's website down in the description as well for you to find some fun, cute clothing items. I got this in a 2X. It's loose and baggy, which is kind of how I like to wear my sweaters, and it's on the longer end. I'm short, so. And I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. I am going to probably sit down and edit for a little bit. I did some dishes. I need to eat dinner in a little while, but I'm just going to do all of that. You guys saw me doing dishes. I will show you guys when I get dinner going, which is literally gonna be like either microwave, or maybe I might oven reheat some enchilada casserole that I made last night, which you guys saw in the last vlog. Yeah, it's just a blizzard and we're stuck at home, so I figured I would just share my day with you guys. Since this is a day in the life in the middle of a blizzard, I figured I'd show you guys what the weather is doing now. You can kind of, I don't know if, yeah, The sun's kind of peeking out there, so it makes it really bright out. The snow had melted off of our balcony, and it looks like it's piling back up again a little bit. Not like pile, but it's starting to accumulate, I guess is what I should say. Our barbecue pit cover looks inflated because of all of the wind. Luckily, I have a string, like a drawstring type deal on the bottom, and that is tight and underneath the feet and the wheels, and then it also has a Velcro thing around the side, so hopefully it stays on. It is definitely still coming down. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the blizzard, since obviously I've talked about it a billion times in this vlog and the last. So I'm going to get editing the vlog for tomorrow that you guys will already have seen. Alright, so for dinner tonight we are reheating our enchilada casserole. It is going to be reheated in another glass dish, and then I need to set the oven for that. And then we also have some refried beans left over from yesterday as well that we will just reheat those in the microwave, and that will go in the oven. So I'm just going to get that put into the dish here, and I will show you guys that little process, but probably fast forward a little bit of that.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't.
Looks like they're out here plowing again. The big plow is going up the hill right now, up over that way. The big plow is going away from where they were plowing before. Not sure why they're plowing in that area specifically, because they didn't really plow like the whole road. They just plowed like right where that truck with the flashing lights is. So interesting, but I just figured I would share that with you since it's part of our snow day. All right, so here is my dinner for tonight. Reheated lasagna casserole and some refried beans. I just threw everything. The enchilada casserole was put in the oven and warmed up at 375 for about 30 minutes, and that did a really good job on warming that up. And then the beans, I just heated them in the microwave and got that going. So that is our dinner for tonight. We are probably going to be watching some shows for the rest of tonight, so I will probably pick this back up in the morning. And this might be a couple day vlog just to kind of show you what I do in the middle of a blizzard. So there's that, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video. So today is day, I don't remember how many of whatever we want to call this big blizzard thing. It is Friday, Good Friday at that. We have Easter coming this weekend, and we have sun and clear skies. Hopefully that means we will get some breaks in the snow before Sunday, because we're supposed to get more snow Sunday, and people are on the roads. It looks like they have plowed. I'm gonna have to look at the maps and see if the roads are good to go anywhere, because maybe if my husband decides we can go somewhere, we can go out, and he's gonna plow his car out of the parking lot. So, and I feel like his car would be safer than my car going out and about, because it is more of an SUV type car. But yeah, so I'm just gonna continue yesterday's vlog today as well, so it's gonna be a couple day vlog.
Know you, but
get some laundry done. I have my mop head needs to be washed, and then I also have some cleaning rags down here in this basket that need to get washed, so I'll just throw it all in together.
Want to get to know you, just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to.
All right, I am back. I let some water get in there with the soap so it's not just like some things get soap on them. I'm throwing in my mop head.
Get to know you, just wanna get to know you. I don't know you.
Okay, y'all, I'm heading out. Snow pants on, some boots, jacket, headband to cover my ears because it's cold out, and we are going to head to Starbucks, and I will take you along with us on our journey.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
So we made it back from Starbucks, getting all of our snow gear off, but I got the largest drink, make it worth it to go out. He got a large venti cold brew. We got some treats. It was just an adventure to get out of the house, and it was definitely an adventure. Most roads are down to one lane because there's piles of snow in one of the lanes, but we made it. It was fun just getting out. It's always an adventure. So yeah, I'll just pick it up back up whenever I do something else. All right, y'all, I'm gonna be getting dinner ready. I think this will be close to the end of this vlog until the next one. I'm getting dinner ready. I wanted to show you what I was making. It's a super simple dinner. We got these Tasty Bite organic Madras lentils. I wanted to try them. Kim over at The Wads here on YouTube, she says her kids love these. They devour them. These are a mild seasoning, so they don't really have too much of a kick to them. They smell kind of like chili. I think I'm going to add a little bit of chili powder to them to give them a little bit more heat because we like that. But I make 2 packs per when we eat. For one for me, one for my husband. Technically, I think they're 2 servings per container, but we finished off both of them the first night that we made them. Then I'm making jasmine rice, and essentially I just do the same thing. Betta jasmine rice and then put the Madras lentils on them. And then I'm doing a can of corn and a can of green beans, and I will saute those up in some butter and one of my many seasoning mixes here that I have. So that is what our dinner will be. I will show you the final product in just a little bit. Alright, so here is our dinner. The Madras lentils on top of rice. That will fill us up. It is a, I want to say it's like vegan or vegetarian dish or whatever. So there's no meat in it or anything. So we have both of those, and then we have rice underneath. And then we also have corn and green beans, which is delicious. It may not look the best on the screen, but it tastes really good. It's almost like a chili on top of rice. And that is our dinner tonight. I am going to be ending this video out here. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. I hope you enjoyed spending the past couple of days with us. Well, more me, not us. But on our snowstorm, stuck in the house, actually getting out after the snowstorm adventure. And I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. That helps me know that you guys are interested in these videos and that you want to see more of them. And if you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button and join my YouTube family. I'd love to have you here. I am so appreciative for all of you who are subscribed and continue to watch my videos and follow me along on my journey here on YouTube. And I hope you guys enjoy this one, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!